Hello, everyone. I am Paul. Welcome back to Fluent World Podcast. I am very happy you're here today. Take a slow breath. Relax your mind. This is your place to learn English. Slowly, clearly, confidently. Today, we are going to learn English through real-world news. Yes, we will learn English by talking about an important situation in the Middle East. Do not worry, this is not a political debate. This is an English lesson. We will focus on vocabulary, pronunciation, and speaking practice. If you enjoy learning English this way, please subscribe to Fluent World Podcast, like this video, and write a comment below. Now, let us begin. Recently, there has been tension between Iran and Israel. The word tension means stress or conflict between countries. Repeat after me. Tension. Very good. Another important word is conflict. Conflict means a serious disagreement. Sometimes it can mean war. Repeat slowly. Conflict. Excellent. When countries disagree strongly, they may have military action. Military refers to the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force. Repeat. Military. Good. News reports say there have been airstrikes. An airstrike is an attack from the air, usually by planes. Repeat. Airstrike. Very good. Now let us build a simple new sentence. There is tension in the region. Repeat. There is tension in the region. Good job. Another sentence. The conflict is increasing. The conflict is increasing. Excellent. The word region means an area or part of the world. Repeat. Region. Very good. When journalists talk about serious problems, they often use the word crisis. A crisis is a very difficult situation. Repeat slowly. Crisis. Good. Now listen to this short news paragraph. Tension in the Middle East is growing. Several countries are watching the situation closely. Leaders are calling for peace. Repeat one sentence. Leaders are calling for peace. Excellent. The word leader means a person who controls or guides a country or group. Repeat. Leader. Good. Peace means no war. Peace means calm and safety. Repeat. Peace. Very good. Now let us practice useful news phrases. According to reports, this phrase means based on information from news sources. Repeat. According to reports. Good. Another phrase. Sources say. Repeat. Sources say. Excellent. These phrases are useful when you talk about news in English. Now let us practice speaking. Listen first, then repeat. According to reports, the situation is serious. Very good. Sources say. Leaders are discussing solutions. Excellent speaking. Now let us learn the word negotiation. Negotiation means discussion between two sides to find a solution. Repeat slowly. Negotiation. Very good. Diplomacy is another important word. Diplomacy means managing relationships between countries in a peaceful way. Repeat. Diplomacy. Excellent. Now listen to this example. Both sides are trying to avoid further escalation. Escalation means the situation becomes worse. Repeat. Escalation. Very good. Now we will practice a short conversation. Listen carefully. What is happening in the Middle East? There is political tension. Are countries trying to stop the conflict? Yes. They are calling for peace and negotiation. Very good. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions in English. Is the situation calm or tense? Are leaders calling for peace or for war? Speak slowly. Take your time. Confidence grows with practice. Now let us review the vocabulary. Tension, conflict, military, airstrike, crisis, leader, peace, negotiation, diplomacy, escalation. You learned many important words today. These words are common in international news. When you watch CNN or BBC, you will hear these words often. Learning English through news helps you understand the world and improve your vocabulary at the same time. Remember, speak slowly, think clearly, do not rush. English fluency takes time, small practice every day. If you enjoyed this lesson, please subscribe to Fluent World Podcast, like this video, and comment below. Do you like learning English through news? Tell me your opinion. This is Paul. Thank you for learning with me today. See you in the next episode. Goodbye